Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you into the kitchen and show you how I prepare my succulent, mouth-watering, juicy turkey wings, Jamaican style, guys. So come with me, let me show you. Yes, this is my turkey wing, guys, and what I'm going to do now is to make sure that all the turkey wings are washed and cleaned up properly. But earlier I went ahead and cut these off, but I'm still going to use them because I like to have bones. And my turkey wings are already cleaned up here, guys. You can see I'm going to make sure that I am washing my turkey wings in cold water. All those little fine feathers are off. I am going to go ahead and cut my turkey wings, guys, because I don't like it so big. So I'm going to cut my turkey wings so that we have more servings. I'm just going to cut it down like that, guys. Yes, guys. So I will be cooking turkey wing, some juicy turkey wing, Jamaican style, guys. All my chicken wings cut up. So what I'm going to do, as usual, I like to wash my meat in some salt and lemon. You can use vinegar if you want, but I choose to use the lemon and the salt. And just wash it, cut the lemon and squeeze it on my turkey wing. And I'm going to go ahead and just add some salt to the water. And just wash my turkey wings, guys, to make sure that they're cleaned and nice, and also the juice kind of give it that flavor also. And what I like to do, I like to let my turkey wings sit in the salt and the lemon juice for a while before I actually take them out. Yes, guys, I'm going to let it sit there for a while and let the salt and the lemon juice just marinate with it a little bit. And I'll come back to you guys and show you. Yes, guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Yvonne coming back to you with another cooking video. And today I'll be cooking some juicy turkey wings, Jamaican style. I'll be seasoning this turkey wings and I'll be putting it in the oven, and I'll go ahead and show you how we prepare our turkey wings in Jamaica. Okay, guys, here I have my turkey already washed. As you can see earlier, I was washing them. I had them washed in lime and salt and cut up all the pieces. I did not get rid of no part of the turkey wings. I also have the tip and everything here ready. I cut them up in smaller pieces that we can have more servings. And I have my bell pepper and my onion, my Goya, and then I have here my Mediterranean seasoning, and I have here my lemon pepper and my parsley flake. I have some seasoning salt over here, and I have my garlic salt. I have my black pepper, and I went ahead and I chopped up some onions over here, guys, and I have some scallion chopped up over here. And you know, I cannot do without my garlic and my broth, my bone broth, chicken bone broth that I'm going to use. And then this is my olive oil that I'm going to be putting on the chicken. So guys, let me step you through the process so that you can see how I prepare my juicy turkey wings, Jamaican style. Guys, now I'm going to go ahead and add the seasoning to the turkey wing. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put my olive oil on the turkey wings. Yes, guys. Then I'm going to be putting in my onions. And my garlic. I put my scallion. Then I'm going to go ahead and put my tomato and my bell pepper. I'm going to put my garlic salt. Guys, when I use so much of this seasoning, I hate to put extra salt in it because it's already salty. So I'm going to put some seasoning salt. I'm going to go ahead and put my lemon pepper. My Goya, I love my Goya. Give the food such rich flavor. One of the reasons I don't put any more salt, guys, because all these extra seasonings have salt in them already. But if I finish cooking, I'm near finishing, and I see where it needs extra salt, I'll go ahead and add some salt to it. But for right now, I won't put any salt in. Put my Mediterranean seasoning herb that I just got familiar with. And I'm going to put some black pepper on it. Before I put my parsley flakes on, guys, because the parsley flake does not give it any flavor. What it does, it just gives the meat a little better color. So I'm going to go ahead and just marinate this seasoning in it. And I'm going to let it sit for at least 30 minutes, guys, before I put it in the oven. I'm going ahead and I wash my hands. And I'm just going to rub these seasoning inside of the turkey wings. Guys, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. See how pretty that is, guys? I love my meat having colors. And another thing I'm gonna do again gonna get my hand washed and I'll come up and show you. I'm gonna add a little browning on this. The browning just give it that nice brown color. I'm gonna go ahead now, guys, and I'm gonna rub the seasoning on it again. Rub it up some more. Guys, you can get a little messy, but just clean up the area as you go along, guys. Yes, guys. Then I'm going to go ahead now, wash my hands again. You need to be washing your hands a lot when you're doing these stuff, guys. And I'm going to just put my pasta flakes over it. Guys, and I'm gonna put my chicken broth. And if you like, guys, you can go ahead and if you want to add Irish potatoes or you want to put some carrots, you can also do that. But just for the time and getting all that ready, I didn't do that. So I'm just gonna put my chicken broth. Just for it to, the broth to just soak into the chicken and give it that soft, nice deliciousness. Then I'm gonna be covering this over. I'm gonna put the rest of the oil in if I have any more. Just put the rest of the olive oil on this. And then I'm gonna cover this over with foil paper. And I'm gonna let it sit out for a while, and then I'll be putting it into the oven at 380 degrees. Then I'll come back to you and show you the result. I want to make sure that all the areas, all the edges are covered. I had my oven preheated and I have the turkey wing ready to be put into the oven. And then I'll come back and let you see the end result. Now here you go, guys, my succulent juicy turkey wings. And I have here some gravy, so it's already made, so I don't need to make any gravy. And look at that, guys, my fork can just go straight into the turkey wing. So nice and juicy, guys. Look at that, look at that. I went ahead and boiled some Irish potatoes, and I also have some broccoli along with some pear that I had. And guys, look at that succulent, mouth-watering, juicy turkey wing that you're looking at. I can just put my fork in it and it just goes straight. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And look at that. So delicious. So delicious. Wow. I'm just enjoying this. Guys, if you like my channel, don't be afraid to like, share, and subscribe. And ring the notification bell, guys, that you can be notified of more videos to come. And guys, I have so much in store. I also include some motivational videos that I use to sleep, and I used to just chill and to just show my strength and endurance. You can check it out, guys. So again, like, share, and subscribe, and don't be afraid to ring that notification bell, guys, so that you can be informed of more of my videos. Bye, guys.